Good morning. This is Frank with Trade Stalkers, February 19th, about 7:25 in the morning. Going to get started here just a little bit early this morning. Looks like the market moved down just a little bit last night. So what we're going to talk about is where it opened, what did overnight. We're going to look for targets to the upside, targets to the downside, and areas of consolidation that are possible for today. As far as news is concerned, at 7 o'clock, the Fed's Mester speaking. And then at 7:30, you got the consumer price index. Basically, our key resistance level is going to be around the 1960 level, which is just above the 50% retracement at 1953.91. So we need to be real cautious in this area today. Also want to consider the 38.2 fib retracement where we went up and closed back below it. It's held really, really strong. So overnight, it looks like we opened up around 1918.75 and we consolidated sideways between the zones of 1913 and 1920.75 area. Looks like we had an overnight high of 1922.75, overnight low of 1906.25, and that actually occurred about 6 o'clock this morning. We've kind of came right back up, retesting this zone, 20, the median. We got some key resistance with the 24-hour VWAP and pivots, and of course the 38 too. So let's take a look into the downside. We broke through this zone. We've retraced it. We're looking for a retest right here. Look for us to go down, test the double bottom here this morning around that 1906.50 area. We need to trade through that zone, do a retrace up to retest it, and then next target should be down to the 1994 area, all the way possibly down to 1889 area. However, given the situation the last few days of big market moves up and a little bit down yesterday, I'm looking for another slow day, very little economic news. So be cautious in here. If we get down to this area, look for the bounce somewhere in here to go back to the upside. Some possible good targets going back up at around the 1903. It's going back to the upside. Now, from right here, let's say the market just kind of consolidates sideways till market open around 8:30, and then it drives on up. What we want to do is wait for it to just test this overnight high at 22, actually trade through it, wait for the pullback. It might come all the way back and retest this pivot, the 24-hour VWAP, and that will be our opportunity to go long. First target will be 1932. Then our other targets are these zones at 38, 45, and then the 50% retracement at 55. Be cautious along the way. We're probably going to get consolidation. And but other than that, I think it should be a quiet day. But this market is always full of surprises, so be careful. Get your profits off early, leave your runners on, and have a great day trading.